So in today's video, we're going to rebuild these old leaky forks.
Look at that. That's unacceptable right there.
So it's the first time we've ever rebuilt forks, so hopefully it goes good. We've only changed oil before, so it's kind of scary rebuilding them. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it goes good. Really old Race Tech Delta valve. Some people claim that they're way better than stock, and some people claim that they're way worse than stock. But I have no idea because I've never ridden this bike before. So we're just gonna put it together as is, and then once we start riding it, just go from there. If it performs absolutely horrible, maybe we'll get a gold valve or something. But for now, we're just gonna put it back in. built. Yeah, we're not keeping that wheel, that's just there to kind of see what it's look like. Same with the rear, they're both posts. But yeah, the forks are done.
So I forgot to film taking the shock apart, but basically where we are is the top part of the shock is taken off and the oil is drained.
So these are the parts for your shock. This is the bumper, this is the seal head, and this is the valve itself that we're going to get a gold valve for. And there's like little washers that are stacked, and there's like a whole bunch of them. They look weird, but it's like how the oil flows through, so yeah.
So this is a good example on why you want to wear safety glasses, even when you don't think it's necessary. Oil shot out of the shock and went straight to my face, and I didn't have safety glasses on. So I got shock oil in my eyes, and that hurt. I know you couldn't see it on camera, but you could see my reaction. I kind of jumped a little bit, but yeah. Moral of the story is wear safety glasses.
So I wasn't wearing safety glasses when that whole thing happened, and the oil went straight towards my eyes. So if you're doing this at home, please wear safety glasses. that burns really bad. So safety glasses are good. So that was part 6 of the CR125 build. We got the forks and the rear shock all rebuilt. Yeah, we got the gold valve in the rear and a rebuild kit. In the front, we just had the rebuild kit, and maybe someday we can get a gold valve. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see these the latest build videos for this, or just any videos. So yeah.